smart students. Let me start this session with a phrase by Mr. Ralph Waldo. The earth laughs in flowers. Oh, but do know flowers made their debut in space. Astronauts have witnessed the first ever flower to bloom in space following a successful crop of zinnia plants aboard the International Space Station. NASA has called the success a good precursor to plant growth on Mars as well as long-distance space travel. NASA astronaut Scott Kelly posted photos of an in-bloom zinnia flower to Twitter together with the words "first ever flower grown in space makes its debut." These cool flowers therefore need to be learned. Before our high leaps to space, let's get started with the flowers on Earth. Let's first revise the basic structure of the flower that's been encoded in our memory. The primary support of the flower is the stalk called pedicel. This attaches the flower to the stem. The tip of the flower stalk is the receptacle. What if there is no stalk? Would the flower fall off? No. Flowers without a stalk are called sessile flowers. While gifting flowers, have you wondered about its complex structure? Flowers are beautiful children draped in colorful dresses. It consists of 4 whorls. The first whorl are green sepals called the calyx. Second whorl consists of colored petals called corolla. The third whorl consists of the male parts, which are stamen. Each stamen consists of a thread-like filament and a bilobed anther. This is collectively called the ANDROECIUM. The fourth whorl composes of the female components, the centrally located stem, pistil, the basal ovary, the mid-style and the uppermost stigma are collectively called the carpel. This is termed as GYNOECIUM. In order for a flower to be considered complete, it must have 4 parts: sepals, petals, stamens, and pistils. That is all the 4 whorls that we just studied. Incomplete flowers lack one or more of these parts. For a complete flower, a flower would require all the essential, that is, their reproductive parts. Example, stamen and carpel. The non-essential parts of the flower includes accessories. Well, that's eco-friendly fashion. The non-essential parts of the flower I was talking about are called perianth. Perianth are undifferentiated petals and sepals merged together. When the perianth becomes green like the sepals, it is described as a sepaloid. A non-green perianth is called a petaloid. A bract is a modified or specialized leaf that arises from the axil. They might be colored. The misinterpreted petals of the bougainvillea are actually the bracts of the flower. Nectary secretes sweet liquid to attract and feed pollinators. Why a nectary is required? Nearly 75% of all worldwide crops are dependent on animals to achieve efficient pollination. How are we supposed to identify between a male and a female flower? Do flowers have a mustache? The flower with stamen, anther, and pollen grain is called male flower. A unisexual male incomplete flower is termed as a staminate flower, whereas a flower that is composed of an ovary bearing an ovule on the carpel is known as a female or pistillate flower. A flower which contains both stamens and carpel is called bisexual or hermaphrodite, that is, complete flower. A flower in which both male and female parts are lacking are called neuter flowers.